Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charanya Nair and from today I'm going to start as Review Tuesdays. So let's get into the video. So from today I'm starting the series called Review Tuesday. So whatever I would be reviewing is a product which I've been using for a week or 15 days. So if you want me to review any products, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to review them for you people. So these would be the products which we actually use in our daily lives, and we take few reviews when it is newly launched. So I would be reviewing all the products honestly on what I feel and is it recommended, and I would rate them on the rate of scale 5. So today's product is Love Beauty and Planet body wash. So this is in the variant Murmur Butter and Rose Aroma. It says for luster moisture and acts of love for our planet. It's totally vegan. So people who are preferring vegan things, this is a very good product for you people. This one retails for 450 rupees at 400 ml. And coming to this, like the properties of this body wash. Coming to the properties the body wash claims to have is it is totally vegan, it is cruelty free, it uses organic coconut oil, natural Murmur butter, ethically sourced rose with the plant-based cleansers, mild cleansers, bottle made from 100% recyclable plastic. Coming to nose, it says no sulfate cleansers, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. So you can see all the ingredients over here. Coming to the label sheet, it has this very nice detailing. It's basically transparent, but then you can actually feel them. You can see it on camera here and stuff. So it's all over on the flowers and the leaves. It's on the label as well. I hope you can see here. You can feel it, and it gives that luxury look for the product. So I bought this product like 1 month ago. So I have been seeing this product on Nykaa, and I have been seeing this on Instagram and few YouTubers reviewing it as well. So I thought why not try the product, but I didn't keep so much of concentration on this product. So I basically went for grocery shopping where I found this on off, like it was buy one get one free. So I bought 2 bottles for 450. That was a steal deal. But then yes, I was a little curious about trying this product because it's totally new brand. But then what caught my eye was these ingredients. So I have been using this product from past 15 days, and I will tell this is a star product because whenever I have used this heavily moisturizes your skin and leaves it soft and smooth. So this is not a sponsored video. Don't think that I am sponsored by the brand to talk. No. So I have personally used this, and you can see I have used it till here. So I will recommend this product for dry skin type and normal skin type as well. Coming to its fragrance, it has a mild rose kind of smell because of the naturally infused oils and extracts present in this body wash. So the fragrance lasts for half a day, and initially it fades away. Coming down to packaging, it is of plastic material as you can see, but then it is a good plastic, not the cheap quality plastic. It's a good plastic and it is quite sturdy, and they claim that this is 100% recyclable plastic. Now let's talk about pros and cons of this product. Coming to pros, this is heavily moisturizing. Second, this is sulfate, paraben and cruelty free. Third, it is vegan and it is made in India. So currently the situation is we are trying to promote Indian products, and this is an Indian product. Fourth, the bottle is recyclable. 5, this is a good quantity for its price. Coming to cons, I didn't find any minus in this product till date. So if any, I would update you. For now, it's nothing. Thank you guys for watching till the last. This is all for this video, and if you did like this video or you did gain some knowledge from this, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. And do share it to your loved ones or the ones who are actually trying to buy this product out or looking for any body wash. I think you should recommend them. Keep shining. Bye bye.